Hi, welcome to the Staking Geek channel. Today I'm going to discuss another layer 1 blockchain. That's a 3-letter word. It begins with the letter S. No, it's not Say. I did that one yesterday, so go check that one out after. Today we're going to look at Sui and how you can stake to earn yield. We're going to come back to their website in a sec. Let's go over here to CoinMarketCap. They're currently at $1.30. If we look at their token, it was launched back in mid-2023 during the bear market, and it trended down all the way down to around 36 cents. So it's up nicely. Their total market cap is ranked 55th, just under 1.5 billion. You can purchase the Sui token through your local exchange. I'm also going to discuss bridging over through a wormhole on my next video, so you can take assets from Ethereum and bring them over to Sui. And you can transfer them over to your Sui wallet, which I'll get into that, and then you can stake them. All right, so let's go browse around and see if we can learn a little bit about this Sui blockchain. So if we come over here to their docs section, docs.sui.io, you can go into a little bit here. Sui is different than other blockchains. Sounds like a lot of technical advantages or differences. I could go into these and highlight some of this jargon, but I'm guessing you don't care too much about that. If you want to geek out, I will leave the link in the description, or you can just go to this website here and do some more research. So we head back over to their website and we browse around a little bit. Let's go over here to connect. They have a number of job openings. So it looks like there is quite a bit going on, 73 jobs currently. So if you have a technical background, you're interested in learning about some of these positions, you can come over here. Let's go back to build. So they have a great resource for developers. You can access various things, including one-on-one support from their core team, a dev forum, an application to apply for a grant. And here is the link for their SDK. Their Sui dApp kit. It's generally not what it's called, software development kit, but this is a Sui dApp kit. So you can go over here and get involved if you want to start building. Tomorrow or my next video, I'm going to get into the DeFi ecosystem. Looks like there's been a lot being built, so we're going to get into that on my next video. All right, so let's go back to their website again, and let's go over to Connect, go over to Global Events. If you're located in or near Paris, France, they have their flagship or their official Sui conference in April, so that will be happening in a few months. So we come over here to their X account at Sui Network, so you can follow them there. They have 639,000 followers, similar to the Say project. And if we scroll down, it looks like they tweeted here not a few days ago that they surpassed Bitcoin in DeFi market cap. So they've gone up the list. Like I said, I'm going to get into their DeFi ecosystem in my next video. And you can do a little bit more research here. All right, so how do we stake the Sui token, earn some crypto yield? Well, let's go over here to Sui. You're going to from the Chrome web store, you're going to have to search for it. Search for Sui Wallet. And that'll come up. Let's hit enter. There it is. I've already got it installed. You're going to have to set up a password, so a long password, and you have to save your 12-character seed phrase. Make sure that's saved in multiple places. So once you set up the wallet, you've bought those tokens from your local exchange, you send them over to your wallet. It's going to look like this. There's your address. You're going to need to copy that and send it over from the exchange. Once they show up in your wallet, you're going to need to then research some validators. So let's go over here. So suiexplorer.com/validators. And we're going to quickly go through the list here. You don't want to pick some of these larger commissions. They have higher commissions because they probably have more operating costs or overhead fees. So these ones are offering less rewards. So look at this, OKX earn 0% currently. So this is the highest you're earning. They don't have a lot of voting power either, so that's great. You can also look at Anchor, similar deal. They're only offering 2. So there's various options here. So once you have that validator you want to delegate those tokens to, you can come back over here to your wallet and you'll see the stakes. It'll show up. So you hit stake, choose the validator, and you'll start staking to earn rewards. There is no unbonding period as far as I've researched and discovered. You can get those tokens back immediately. If that is not the case, please leave those comments in the comment section here on the video. And lastly, if you are a validator and you want to get involved in this ecosystem from an infrastructure perspective, you're going to need some decent horsepower. Look at that, 24 cores of CPU, 128 gigs of RAM, and a nice size NVMe drive. So you can do a little bit more research if you want to get into providing infrastructure for this project. All right, so that's the end of this video covering Sui staking. My next video is going to review their DeFi protocols, and from first glance, there's already been a lot that's been built out in a short period of time for this upcoming bull market. If you could like, share the video to get it out there a bit, and subscribe to support me, that would be awesome. Until next time, don't do anything I wouldn't do. See you later.